for what it was. Yeah, I mean, everything, you're gonna get a little bit of surface rust and things like that on here because, I mean, it is an older car, but it's still in really nice shape. Well, even back in there, you can see that's where the battery went, right underneath there, for the guys who don't know these cars. So, doesn't look like it's leaking anything. I mean, it's really nice shape. Close the back deck here. I don't want to. There we go. Alright. Yeah, definitely a fun car. I used to have one of these a long time ago, but it only had the 4-cylinder in it, and God, you feel like you're on the ground. Alright. I can walk over here and off at the DB9 like I usually do. Somebody will buy this car. It'll go to a good home. So, alright guys, this is the end of my video. If you're new to it, please hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications for new ones, and look at my older ones. And I'll see you guys on the next one.